Hi, my name is Lara and I'm a rising sophomore at Monte Vista High School. For my final milestone in my 3-joint robotic arm project, I attached my arm to a car base and implemented some more autonomous movement for the arm. So I have a car base which uses DC motors and a motor shield to control the different motors, and down here are battery packs to supply energy to the motors. At the top here I have the ultrasonic sensor, which I used in my last milestone, but now I have a more autonomous mode which will scan for an object and then grab the object. So here's demonstration. And then in my app also I have a find object button which will activate the autonomous mode that will help find an object. And I also have a party lights mode, so it has just lights to have a nice party. So I'm going to connect the robot. My control system is still through the Bluetooth app that I created in MIT App Inventor, and I found that that was the easiest way to control it. So now it's connected, I can do things like open the claw. Doesn't seem to be working, so I think I just plug it in. Okay, so I can close the claw. The wire just came out. Okay, so I can open the claw, close the claw. I can move the shoulders or the base or the elbow. And then also at the bottom of the screen I have some arrows where you can control the car. Currently the car isn't working because there's a lot of weight on it, so for my future milestone I'm going to be working on fixing that and actually getting the car to move properly. But for now we can have different modes, so I have a manual mode where the light will turn on and show the manual mode. And then I also have a party lights mode, just for fun. Oh, so now I click the find object, and it's going to try finding an object. So I put an object nearby. It's going to open up and then start moving closer to it. And once it's close enough, it's going to slowly close up, and then it's done. And so now I've activated the party mode, and that's just party lights. So the biggest challenge for this project was actually figuring out how to attach everything onto the car base, as there's not a lot of space, and also getting enough batteries to power everything. So right now the problem was that I couldn't power the motors, so I had to add more battery packs. And then also getting the code to work for the autonomous movement was a challenge because I had to figure out code and use a lot of conditional statements and variables. For my future milestones, I'm going to be working on adding more sensors and fixing the car so it can drive properly. And moving forward, I think that a lot of my engineering skills I'll be able to use and solve some problems. Thank you.